We've all seen Antarctica's vast, bright white frozen landscape. But beneath that ice, something is happening that has deeply alarmed some of the world's leading scientists. Their attention is no longer focused only on the surface, it's on what lies hidden underneath. Don't mistake this for just another climate change story. This is the story of an icy ticking time bomb, a hidden abyss beneath the glacier, and a reality that scientists realized far later than they should have. To understand why experts are so concerned, we need to look at a place that humans can barely reach. West Antarctica. It's a frozen, desolate wilderness so harsh and remote that it feels like another planet. For decades, scientists believed this enormous ice sheet was solid, stable, and virtually unmoving. But a few years ago, a team of researchers flew a specialized radar-equipped aircraft over a remote region known as Thwaites Glacier. They expected to find ancient, solid ice firmly anchored to the bedrock below. Instead, what they discovered sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The radar data revealed a massive hollow cavity hidden beneath the glacier large enough to fit all of Manhattan inside it. This wasn't just an ordinary cavern, it was a wound. Warm ocean water had been flowing beneath the glacier, melting it from the inside out, completely hidden from the view of satellites. Suddenly, scientists realized they were not observing a slow, predictable melting process. Instead, they were witnessing a structure on the verge of catastrophic collapse. At that moment, Thwaites Glacier was given a new and ominous nickname, the Doomsday Glacier. The danger wasn't just that the glacier was melting. The real threat was what Thwaites was holding back. Think of it like a cork in a wine bottle. Once the cork is removed, everything behind it rushes out. Thwaites acts as a massive barrier supporting much of the West Antarctic ice sheet. If it collapses, it won't just raise sea levels by a few inches. It could trigger a domino effect, releasing enough ice into the ocean to raise global sea levels by as much as 16 feet. But the real mystery wasn't simply that it was melting it was why it was melting so quickly. When scientists rushed to send underwater robots into the deep cavity, they made an even more alarming discovery. The glacier wasn't just melting due to warm water, it was also breaking apart. Countless spiderweb-like cracks were spreading across the ice shelf, like a shattered windshield. The glacier was literally fracturing under its own stress. We are no longer talking about a distant future threat. We are talking about a tipping point that could arrive within just a few years. If the Doomsday Glacier were to collapse, it would redraw the map of the world. Cities like New York, London, and Kolkata would no longer just face occasional flooding. Entire populated regions could be permanently submerged by rising seas. The question is no longer whether the ice will eventually fail. The only question left is when. In one of the most remote places on Earth, the clock is ticking. The ice is groaning. And as you read this, the last stabilizing forces holding back the ocean are quietly weakening. We stand at the edge of a deep abyss, waiting to see whether we can stop the fall or whether it's already too late.